Here's a quick tutorial on how to put your iPhone 8 and later models into DFU mode display on screen. I am Max. Let's get started. First, use a USB cable to connect your iPhone to a Mac or Windows computer with Finder on macOS Catalina and later, or iTunes on Windows. Now, on your iPhone, quickly press and release the volume up and volume down buttons. Press and hold the side button until the screen goes black. As soon as the screen goes black, press and hold the volume down button while continuing to hold the side button for about 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, release the side button but keep holding the volume down button for another 10 seconds. If done correctly, the screen will remain black and iTunes or Finder will detect your iPhone in DFU mode. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips.